Well, good morning, everyone. If you're watching your market open, you can see it's going to be another one of those days. The market opening with a huge 500-point gap lower. Here, let's bring over we're not going to have a chance to trade today, folks. This is where the market left off yesterday. This is where we're opening. The market was dead. In fact, I had to check my data feed a couple of times because for a good 5-6 minutes before the market opened, the charts were not moving. But I checked my feed, and there were in fact some orders stacked, waiting for execution. And well, you see what's going on. Totally untradeable. So, being me, I don't follow the news very much. And yes, I am aware of the coronavirus and all that. And just checking the news here, the news feeds, and see what's going on with this. Yeah, the European travel ban, a big deal. We'll stay with it for a few minutes, but as I mentioned to you the other day, so long as your charts are printing in seconds down here, the market's very likely moving way too fast. You'll notice volume yesterday, reasonably strong, which is good. We got a reasonably big bar. The bears are taking the buyers to the woodshed. So you see the huge advances by the bears, the limited pullbacks from the buyers. One thing I can say for certain, once we have a bottom, like once the lows hold, say today, let's say the low is going to hold here around 7,400. And let's say the day ends up with a bar, something like that. we may well follow that with an inside day of some sort. And after that, I think we can be a little bit more serious about the next bullish push. The next push may be short-lived. It may, go like this for a day or two. And then the buyers will get serious. Now this may take, I've just drawn it out here like over the course of 3 or 4 days. This may well take several weeks or a month to develop. We may see a fair amount more sideways trading. But I think that the next bull push will be a lot more serious, and it will probably end up looking very similar to this. And how do I know that? Well, it's because that's how the markets do things. Once we have a bottom in, it will retest the last resistance area, the resistance being right here, because this is where the buyers stopped, right? Then it will come down and retest the support area, being right here. And then it will once again continue to retest resistance areas. So that's just how the markets work. Once you kind of get a handle on that, you have a pretty good idea of what it is you want to look for. Let's go back to the action. Okay, did they halt trading again? Yeah. Yeah, thanks, Hakeem. Hakeem says trading halt has been imposed just now for another 15 minutes. Honestly, I don't think there's any point in hanging around. It's going to be more of the same. We're not going to get a trade off. I'm not going to be able to show you anything. So, you know what, folks? Tomorrow is going to be the same as well. Friday is a mess at the best times. So let's just call it a week. I know you haven't been missing much. I know we've been alternating weeks in the room. And by the way, if you know anyone who would like to help host the trading room, or if you're interested in hosting the trading room, my schedule is becoming such that I'm having less and less time available. But at any rate, why don't we just take the rest of the week off? Next week is our off week for the trading room. And so we'll try again the week after, the week of the 30th. And hopefully the world will have a bit of a reality check after that. All right. Yeah, Akeem, I'm with you. He says, I've never seen such madness in 12 years. Uh, Only time I've seen the markets behave like this is last I remember, was with the mad cow scare in feeder cattle and live cattle. You saw the markets trading very similar to this. And actually, that's got to be about 12 years ago. All right, everyone. I will talk to you in about a week or so. Really, don't even bother trying to trade when the markets are like this, because you're going to end up losing. You may get into a trade, but you are going to have a heck of a time getting out. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.